Welcome to Designs to Life. I'm Ray Corral, founder of Mosaicist. This large estate that we finished about 5 years ago is actually 2 pools put together with a bridge in the middle. It's a gorgeous design. As you can see, it's a humongous estate. This particular home brings in a lot of music videos, a lot of commercials. It gets a lot of exposure. This design gave us a chance to break the molds that we had with Mosaicist. The actual client and the love of the sea was the only direction that we had. He basically wanted to have something that ties in with the sea, but also with the Mediterranean style of the home. And we started working with different designs to tie these 2 pools together. As we started designing it, believe it or not, we started to simplify it and simplify it. And this is what we came up with today. 1 medallion on each side, dark blue sea marine color, so therefore the designs can pop. We designed a brand new style, Mediterranean to go with the home. And if you can see, the center sections have the sea theme that he actually loved. Some of the neat details about this project: the centerpiece has an actual 14th century dolphin, with some people mistaking it as some sort of a fish. The client needed the actual installation to be done in a quick manner. We put all of our crews into this project. We turned it over in record time. In the walkway, as you first walk in, first step, it has an old nautical shell. We have the water that comes out, spills over, but doesn't sprinkle or feather into the decking. It actually goes right into the catch basin, and we rounded this off. And rounding this mosaic with such a large radius, as you can see, is very difficult to do and keep perfectly level. And this is all to tie in the old world feel of the architecture of the home into the pool. And as you can see, we did it perfectly.